Hello and welcome. My name is Ariadne. I'm a violinist, educator, and Alexander Technique practitioner. My hope is that this channel becomes a nice, intentional companion for your violin learning journey. I'm going to be sharing the invaluable experience that I have gained as a student and a teacher throughout my career to help you learn more efficiently and effectively to achieve the results that you desire. Learning a complex new task is challenging in this fast-paced world. Most of you, I'm sure, are very, very busy, but it's nice to be able to carve out a little peaceful oasis for yourself. Let this channel be a place where you can come for inspiration to create a mindful, slow space for practicing your music and yet save time and learn faster by avoiding building bad habits. I have put together a 15-minute practice session for busy violin lovers. If you'd like to check that out, please click the link down in the description below. I'm going to be sharing tutorials, practice tips, as well as my own practice vlogs to share my process for overcoming challenges in my own work as I learn new music or prepare for performance. If it sounds like a good time, then go ahead and click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.